Here we have a SAT math problem. Okay, let's go to the question. The positive number A is 520% of the number B and A is 65% of the number C. If C is P percentage of B, which of the following is the value of P? Okay, now let me consider the first information we have over here. That is a positive number A equals to 520% of the number B. Okay, here we can convert this percentage to decimal. For that, we have to divide this 520 by 100. When I divide 520 by 100, I am getting a 5.2. And in mathematics, when we have the word OF of, it can be considered as a multiplication. Then we get a 5.2 times B. Now let me consider the second information, that is A is 65% of the number C. That is A equals to 65% of the number C. Okay, A equals to, we can write this percentage as a decimal. Let's divide 65 by 100, then we get 0.65. And for OF of, we can consider multiplication, that is 0.65 times C. Now let's consider the third information we have over here, that is CS, that is C equals to P percentage of B. C equals to, we can write this percentage as a fraction by taking denominator 100, then we get P over 100 times B. Now let me consider the second equation we have over here, that is A equals to 0.65 times C. We can plug in this 0.65 times C for A over here in the first equation. Then we get 0.65 times C equals to 5.2 times B. Now let's solve for B in this equation. Let me divide both sides of the equation by 5.2. Okay, here 5.2, 5.2 will cancel out. When I divide 0.65 by 5.2, I am getting 0.125, and here we have C, or 0.125 times C equals to B. Okay, here I have solved for B in terms of C. Now what we can do is, we can plug in this stuff for 0.125 C for B over here in the third equation. Then I am getting C equals to P over 100 times 0.125 C. Okay, on both sides we find C. Let's divide both sides of the equation by C. Okay, here C will cancel out. C divided by C on the left side will become 1. Then we get 1 equals to, and P times 0.125 can be written as 0.125 times P divided by 100. Okay, 1 equals to, when I divide this 0.125 by 100, I am getting 0.00125 times P. Our aim is to get the value of P. Okay, let's divide both sides of this equation by 0.00125. Let me do the same thing on the left side, that is 0.00125. So this one will cancel out. When I divide this 1 by 0.00125, I am getting 800 on the left side. On the right side, we have P. Okay, here I got the value of P. It is 800. We find this 800 in answer choice D. The correct answer choice for this question is D.